Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an of an era basket legend how to get Iker Muniain in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a lot of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap exchange button and then tap the end of an era. So the third player here, Iker Muniain with 94 central attacking midfielder position. You can tap again for the detail. So the pace, dribbling, passing is main attributes. You also get 5 traits: final shoot, playmaker, and outside foot shot. So if you want this guy, if you want to sign this guy, it's a very easy. All you have to do is fulfill this condition. Start from the button, one player with 90 plus OVR, one player with 91 plus OVR, and last one player with 92 plus OVR. So if you fulfill this condition, this exchange button will turn on and you can tap exchange to get Muniain into your club. So please feel free to try sign this Iker Muniain, very good player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the text button below. See you in the next video.